Today I will be replacing the ice maker on a GE refrigerator. The procedure is similar for other brands. If your ice maker is not making ice, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps that you can do before replacing the ice maker. We can test if there's water by pressing the water dispenser and making sure water flows. To check the ice maker itself, remove the ice bin. You can see that we have some ice cubes, which indicates that the ice maker was working at some point. Check the shutoff arm for tension and make sure it goes in and out freely. If there is no tension, check the spring on the arm and make sure it didn't come off or is loose. There needs to be tension in the arm for the ice maker to work properly. The arm should be out, which means that the ice maker is on. If your problem is small or hollow ice cubes, you can increase how much water the ice maker takes per cycle by adjusting the plus or minus on the ice maker. Make sure you make very small adjustments. If the water is freezing at the fill tube, you don't have enough water pressure, and you need to check the water line or inlet valve. We can manually reset the ice maker to force a cycle and see if it starts working. This will allow the ice maker to run a harvest cycle, which will let you verify if it's working. To do this, turn it off. Wait 20 seconds, then turn it back on. Now press the shutoff arm in and out 3 times within 20 seconds. If you still can't verify if it's working right away, let it run for an hour and see if you have new ice. If you don't, the ice maker is probably not working and will need to be replaced with either an OEM or an aftermarket ice maker. Replacing the ice maker is easy. Just turn it off, then unscrew the side screw. Disconnect the power, pull it up and forward to remove it. It's basically the same procedure for all refrigerators. Ice makers are meant to be replaced as a whole and don't usually have parts. You will need to replace the whole ice maker unit. I'm replacing my ice maker because it makes ice sometimes, then it stops. It produced about 4 ice cubes in a 24-hour period, which indicates an issue. Underneath you can see the heating element, which gets called on by the thermostat to thaw out the ice, and the arms will scoop it up and toss the ice to the bin. So you can have various issues from the motor to a faulty thermostat and heating element. I'm replacing the GE ice maker with an aftermarket ice maker that will work with my model of refrigerator. Now this new ice maker is universal and will come with additional plugs and different water fill cups. It looks a little bit different, but it does the same thing as the original ice maker. You have to pick the right power cables and fill cups that will work with your refrigerator. Here you can see the original ice maker and the aftermarket one. They look a little bit different, but they work and do the same job. It's just that this one here is universal, so you kind of have to pick your plugs and your fill cups. If you happen to find the same OEM model, it should be exactly like the one you're replacing, and you won't have to worry about the plugs or the fill cups. But it's very easy to do. All you got to do is match up the plugs with your plug from the refrigerator. Tuck the power cable behind the ice maker like I have here. Put the screw back, make sure it's secure and sits on top of the side bracket that holds it in place. Now just plug it in, turn it on, and let it cycle. And after a few days, this is what you should have for ice. It should stop making ice. You should see ice appear on the ice maker, and then once it's full, it's going to go ahead and push that arm out and it'll stop making ice. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if it has helped you, leave a comment, check out my channel, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.